Understanding Meal Calendar, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very practical and useful phrase, meal calendar. Understanding this term can be incredibly helpful in daily life, especially if you're planning meals or discussing schedules. Let's dive in and uncover the meaning and usage of meal calendar. A meal calendar is a schedule or plan that outlines what meals will be eaten on specific days. This can be a weekly or monthly calendar and is often used by individuals or families to organize their meal planning. It helps in ensuring a balanced diet, saving time, and reducing food waste by planning in advance. Using a meal calendar offers several benefits. 1. Efficiency. It saves time during grocery shopping and cooking. 2. Health benefits. Helps in maintaining a balanced diet. 3. Budget-friendly. Reduces impulsive buying and food waste. 4. Stress reduction. Knowing what you're going to eat in advance reduces daily decision fatigue. Creating a meal calendar involves a few simple steps. 1. Choose the duration. Decide if your calendar will be weekly or monthly. 2. List your meals. Write down meal ideas for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. 3. Consider variety. Ensure a variety of meals to maintain a balanced diet. 4. Allocate meals to days. Assign each meal to a specific day. 5. Shopping list. Create a grocery list based on your meal calendar. 1. Include all family members. If planning for a family, include everyone's preferences. 2. Be flexible. Allow room for changes based on unexpected events or mood. 3. Use technology. There are apps and online tools to make meal planning easier. 4. Plan for leftovers. Incorporate leftovers into your plan to reduce waste. I hope this video has helped you understand the concept of a meal calendar and how it can be a valuable tool in your daily life. Remember, meal planning is not just about food, it's about organizing your time and resources efficiently. Happy meal planning, and see you in our next lesson.